How to change your Discord username on your mobile device. In this short video, I'm going to show you how you can change your Discord username on your mobile device. But before I do, please don't forget to like, comment and subscribe to my channel. Okay, straight into it. So first, open up the Discord app. Then, if you're currently in a server, then start by tapping the three lines at the top of the left of the screen. Now, select your profile icon on the bottom right. Now, on your profile page, tap on My Account. Then tap where it says your username. And now you're able to change it. So, enter your new username. It's possible to change your ending tag too, but only if you're subscribed to Discord Nitro. Tap Save once you're happy with your new username. And your Discord username has now been changed. And that's all it takes to change your Discord username on your mobile device. If you found this video helpful, I'd love it if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel, and let me know in the comments if this worked for you. Thanks for watching.